This is Robert Plank from backupcreator.com, and I'll show you right now how to backup and restore your WordPress blog in step-by-step instructions in a number of different ways using the backupcreator.com plugin. You go to backupcreator.com, go to the bottom, grab the $47 version, and now you'll have this plugin that you can use to back up your site in at least 7 different ways and then restore them back from file uploads, cloud storage, FTP, Amazon, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. So we purchased our copy of Backup Creator. We clicked log in to log into the members area, and now that we're logged in, we have access to our download link and our license key and all that good stuff. We're going to go to a site called membershipnewbie.com, go to /wp-admin, and before doing anything else, we need to install the Backup Creator plugin and back up our site. Plugins, add new, upload plugin. We've installed the Backup Creator plugin onto this WordPress blog and activated it. And let's just click back up the site, back up the site. Let it go, let it run for a few seconds, and now we have a copy. It's already done. Now we can click on the full backup, right click, and save it to our desktop. We can right click and save the plugin and install it on another site if we wanted to, and that would point back to our site. So let's check out what we can do. If we go to our settings tab, we can automatically run the backup we just ran. We can back it up to the cloud. Sure, let's do that. We have a gigabyte of storage for free. Let's email it to me, and I want to email it as an attachment, not a link. And let's check some other boxes. I think I'll back it up to FTP as well, so I'll send it to Robert Plank, and we'll browse that folder. And yeah, let's just save it. We could save it in the subfolder, but let's just save it in the root of our FTP there. Let's send it to Amazon S3. And I've created a user using Amazon's storage, so let me put those details in there. Paste that in, and I will browse that one, and I'll put this on BC Site Backups. Great. So we're so far backing up automatically to the built-in storage, shooting an email to me, setting it off to an FTP folder, setting it to Amazon S3. Let's save our changes so far. Let's back this up to Dropbox as well. So connect to Dropbox and allow that. Now we're also backing up to Dropbox. Let's back up to Google Drive. So I'll paste that information in there from Google and paste that one in there, save those settings, and allow Google Drive as well. And that all looks good, so we will save those settings. So once we hit the button to back up, we'll be backing up to the cloud, email, FTP, Amazon, Dropbox, and Google Drive. So let's do it. Let's back up the site, also backing up to these other places. Click on backup. Now we're backing up to the Amazon S3 bucket. That's already on there and done. Now we're backing up to Dropbox. Just a couple seconds left on that. Okay, Dropbox is done, and Google Drive. So now we have our backup here, and if we wanted to upload it to the other storage areas and delete it locally, we could just go to the Settings tab, click on Delete, backup from this site after uploading. So if you're worried that we're going to back up every week to all these places, well, you can check this box and it will delete it off of this server once it's done. But now, let's check out our FTP area, and well, here's the backup in our FTP where we backed up. Let's check out our S3 bucket, and here's the backup, this one, that we just backed up when we ran that. We can look at our Dropbox, let that load, and here's our backups, and here's the most recent one that we just now, or not that one, Membership Newbie. These are grouped by site. There's the Membership Newbie one that we just backed up. Click on our Google Drive and load that, and there's the backup from Membership Newbie that we just backed up. And so if we wanted to restore all or any of these from the cloud, from Google Drive or whatever, we would just find them when we wanted. And luckily this has the date on it. This has the website on it. You left click on that and then it will now just restore from that backup we just made. So we have a fully functioning site right here at this Dennis in Orem, Utah site. But let's reset it and let's restore a backup from one of these places. So what we can do just to blow away a site and start from scratch is put in a plugin called WordPress Reset. Whoops, without that thing on it, but it still worked. So we have that already installed and I think it's just turned off. So if we go to WordPress Reset, click Activate, and then go to Tools, Reset, and then we can just type in the word reset here, and this will blow away our WordPress site and start it from the factory settings. So click on reset. We're going to reset the membership newbie site to where it started. We've still got some plugins on there and all that, but if you view the site, well, cool, working with a blank slate here. So we could just go back to our dashboard and go to activate or reinstall backup creator. Put our stuff back in there. And then we could, I'm not sure if we have our details, so we need to re-enter our details in here. So let me just check, actually, I don't even have to do anything. Let me go to the backups, restore from clouds. This is connected to my account, and I want to restore this most recent cloud backup. So without doing anything else, just blew away WordPress from scratch, restore from backup, let that run, give that a couple seconds, and this will pull the backup down from the cloud, unpack it, and then put it right here on our website. Cleaned up, go back to the blog, and remember how before it was just the blank black and white? Well, now the old blog is back again. Let me go back in here, and I'll log back in and reset WordPress again. WordPress Reset. Tools Reset, Reset, and once again the site has been completely wiped clean. We'll turn Backup Creator back on. Backup Creator's gone this time, so let me upload it. So now this time let's restore it from FTP. So we go back to our settings and we click on FTP and we need to fill in our details here. So we just say the host is robertplank.com. Whoops. Put our details in there. We can save that and then we can go back in our backups and we can restore from the FTP. Browse in the folder and we left click because we want to restore this one right here. So we restore from backup, and this is restoring from the FTP that we had there. Cleaning everything up. And now we've once again restored this site. We can go back again. And are you starting to get the idea? We can restore from any of these places. Just click the link, it pops up, you choose which file you want in the list, click on it, click on restore from backup, and it will pull it down from Amazon, Dropbox, or Google Drive and more. So that's how to backup and restore from a web file on the web. We can restore from file upload, cloud storage, FTP, Amazon S3, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. So if we had a backup that was somewhere in a web URL, you can just put it right here. We could go and upload a backup from our hard drive. So we could say, all right, I want to restore from the file, and I'll choose the file, and I'll choose this one that's on my hard drive. So we have a lot of different ways to put this backup back where it belongs. From an FTP site, from Amazon, from Dropbox, from Google Drive, from the cloud, from a website, or from file upload, click restore from backup, and it cranks along and does all of the exact same stuff. So Backup Creator, web file transfer, file upload, cloud storage, FTP, Amazon S3, Dropbox, and Google Drive, both a manual backup, an automatic backup, and a regular restore. All of the above works using Backup Creator. The place to get that is at backupcreator.com, and there's two options for you. The $7 option at the bottom here, all it does is just does the simple backup. If you want to do all the crazy cool features we showed you today, like FTP, Amazon, Dropbox, Google, and the cloud, that is the $47 option. So go right now to backupcreator.com, claim your copy, and thank you. There we go. Look at the file upload complete. Go to backupcreator.com right now.